Pi Network's token, known as PI, has generated significant interest within the cryptocurrency community, particularly regarding its potential listing on major exchanges like Binance. Despite widespread speculation and strong community support, PI remains unlisted on Binance as of early 2026. This ongoing uncertainty has fueled debates about the token's future and its broader adoption prospects. Many investors and enthusiasts are closely monitoring developments, hoping for official updates that could impact PI's visibility and market value. In February 2025, the Pi Network community held a significant vote regarding the potential listing of the PI token on Binance. An overwhelming 86% of participants expressed their support for this move, highlighting strong enthusiasm among holders. Despite this clear mandate from the community, Binance has yet to issue any official response or announcement about listing PI. The absence of feedback from the exchange has left many in the community awaiting further developments, uncertain about the next steps for PI's potential inclusion. Binance has encountered significant regulatory challenges in recent years, leading to heightened scrutiny from authorities worldwide. A notable example is the $4.3 billion settlement with U.S. regulators in 2023 over anti-money laundering violations. This event has prompted Binance to adopt a more cautious approach when considering new token listings. The exchange now places greater emphasis on compliance and risk assessment, aiming to avoid further regulatory complications. As a result, projects seeking to be listed must meet stricter standards and demonstrate transparency to gain approval. Pi Network operates on its own independent blockchain, which presents unique challenges for integration with major exchanges like Binance. Unlike tokens built on widely adopted platforms, Pi's infrastructure requires additional technical work to ensure compatibility and secure transactions. Another significant concern is the limited accessibility of Pi Network's source code. Without full transparency, independent auditors and exchange developers find it difficult to thoroughly assess the network's security and reliability. These factors contribute to the ongoing hesitation from Binance regarding a potential listing of the PI token. The global consensus value, or GCV, of $314,159 for the PI token has attracted significant attention within the Pi Network community. However, this figure is largely symbolic, reflecting community aspirations rather than actual market dynamics. The GCV is not officially endorsed by the Pi Network core team and is not based on real-world supply and demand. As a result, many experts and observers remain skeptical about its feasibility as a true market valuation. This skepticism underscores the gap between community-driven expectations and the realities of cryptocurrency trading. Pi Network is currently trading at $0.204744 US, reflecting a slight decrease of 0.01% from the previous close. During the latest trading session, the price reached an intraday high of $0.208249 and a low of $0.202241. These figures highlight the relatively narrow trading range for Pi Network at this time. The market remains stable, with only minor fluctuations observed in recent activity. In summary, several key obstacles are preventing Pi Network's token, PI, from being listed on Binance. Regulatory concerns, especially following Binance's recent legal challenges, have led to stricter scrutiny of new listings. Technical issues, such as Pi Network's unique blockchain and limited transparency, further complicate integration. Additionally, the community-driven valuation of PI raises questions about its true market value. While the Pi Network community remains optimistic, these challenges suggest that a Binance listing may still be some distance away.